Hello there, this is me trying to get my print head heater block fixed again. See, that's my original one, but I don't know how well you can see. That is blocked. See, there's something in it that shouldn't be blocked like that, so that's no good. I did have a spare one, but as you can see, that's broken. You're not supposed to do that. And somebody at work called Matt sent me this one. Now I can't use that one because that's wrong. If you look through, I don't know how well you can see that, but you should be able to. I'll show you. That should go all the way in there. But with this one, that doesn't even fit. So this little block here is wrong. This white wire should be able to go all the way through, and I can't even go in. So that hole there is too. That little hole there is too small. But with these two, it can go all the way through. Should do that, you see. So what I'm going to do, I've got this good one here. That's nice and clear. I don't know if you can actually see that, but this is not blocked, nor is it broken. So remember, I can't use that one because that hole's too small. So I've got these two. What I'm going to do, and this is the actual print head. I'm going to try and fit all this back together so it's all working well. This might take me some time, so I'll do this off camera and I'll show you a little bit more. See, that goes in there nicely, and you can see it goes all the way through. Now I've got to do the same for this. Goes in there like so, like that, and all I've got to do now is tighten up those two little grub screws there and there. Just to quickly show you, that's what it looks like. Now I've got to add this second fan here, and this is the fan nozzle. Like a minute. I've added these two little brackets here so that this fan goes on like that, and then think like, yeah, like that. I've got the printer. This is the power supply for the print head. I've got to fix that onto there, and then this goes onto this bit here, and that's the guard. As you can see, I've put the cover top on. I put the print head just there. It's just inside that cover there. And I've got to put this bit on. Right, that's the 3D printer. All I've got to do now is to see, that's the print plate with that blue padding inside there. What I've got to do now is connect it all up and hope it all works, and put the plastic in as well. We have power, but will it talk to the computer? Let's find out. Now talking to the printer. To show you with this program I've got. I can make the print head go up and down. Backwards and forwards. Oh, that's the actual print head. And you can actually see the print head. This is what it looks like when it's printing something, or should that be 3D printing? This will take about 29 minutes, so you can get the idea. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.